たも組織の追っ手ってわけね。聞きたいことがあるんだけれど、答えてもらえるのかしら。
Greenie, can you do me a favor, please?
気乗りしないわ。わかったわ。
Can you go on your phone and check on the weather app to see how long this rain's gonna last for?
私たちでやるしかないみたいね。
It's raining that heavily, and you two dive in water. That's just sad.
とどめを刺すわ。助かったわ。
You know what? Fuck it.
すごいわ。こんなに強かったのね。
This whole myth, Greenie, this so-called myth that we die in rain or water, and yet we believe this whole thing is true.
And what are you going to do, smartass?
Proving a point. That is what I'm doing. Let's just hope that was right. Otherwise, we'll be hearing the end of this. I'm not dead. I knew it! I'm not dead!
あなたはまさか。
You guys have to be scared no more, because I just proved that this whole thing was a lie.
なぜ私があなたの手助けなんてしなくちゃならないの？
That's right, Greenie, because all of this is just a stupid...
先に行くわね。うまくいったわ。すごいじゃない。
Agree with you there, Greenie. So, when are we getting RiseAside.exe? Episode 2 Part 1, The Recreation Hub.
危なかったわ。覚悟はいい？
Right, Greenie, because all of this is just a stupid... Oh, you are so dead!